Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 9579. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 15 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1, between the ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones in the first row, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. In 2 minutes. We solve it again. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.